English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 47.
To Zoe Ortega. Subject: Outstanding invoice. Dear Miss Ortega, I work in the accounting department at Umesh Arts. I am writing with regard to our invoice number TY65294. Payment was due at the end of last month. Please find the invoice attached here. I would appreciate it if you could pay the outstanding invoice and send us a remittance advice note ASAP. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Best regards, Sylvia Monti.
Hi, Ruth. Dear Ruth. Dear Miss Ortega. All the best. Best regards. Yours sincerely. To Richard McGrath. Subject: Recycling Opportunity. Dear Mr. McGrath, I work in the recycling department at Science Solutions. I deal with repurposing waste from technology companies. It has come to our attention that the microchips you no longer deem fit for purpose are being discarded to landfill. I wonder if you are aware that we could purchase this waste from you. Such a proposition would benefit both your company and the environment. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss this further with you in a meeting. Best regards, Zarifa Sali.
I am writing with regard to your damaged packages. Please find your invoice attached to this email. I am writing to you as the new CEO at Yogurt 500. I would appreciate it if you could reply by 3 o'clock this afternoon. My name's Scott, and I work in the packaging department.
I am writing to inform you that we are meeting other suppliers on Monday. I am writing to inform you that we are going to meet other microchip suppliers.
We are going to pay your invoice very soon. He is emailing all the clients this afternoon. She is going to send vouchers to all customers. They are going to meet in Rome to discuss options. I am speaking with our couriers tomorrow.
We are meeting our new clients on Friday. We hope they're going to offer us a discount. Our CEO is going to discuss a merger. Simone is sending your invoice this afternoon. Mark and Johan are going to answer the calls later.
End of Lesson 47.